Hi, my name is Brian Vasquez. I am the Division Chief on the High Sierra Ranger District for the Sierra National Forest. I will be taking the incident over tomorrow evening as a Type 3 Incident Commander for the direction of the fire. And what we're going to be doing for the next several days is we're going to be working the lower elevations of the fire where we can get equipment and personnel to help fix all the damage that was created during the incident, to put them together in such a way that the winter and the erosion problems that it may cause will be minimal. We do have about 50 personnel on the fire with a couple of pieces of equipment, and we're going to be working diligently until the weather decides that we're no longer going to be able to maintain the workload.